Cross-country spacious room, very clean. I would improve the continental breakfast. Excellent staff. Staff was very accommodating and super friendly. Everything was great. Clean and comfortable. We were heading to Mexico and Quartzsite was close. Great night's sleep. Isn't that what we all want? Does Super 8 have fabulous facilities? No. Are there microwaves in the rooms? No. Modern flat screen TV? No. But the rooms are clean, the shower has fantastic water pressure, the mattress is good and the staff is very helpful. Stick around and talk with him, they have great stories and made our travel memorable. Great hotel, but everything is great except the hotel is just by I-10 and if your room is facing the freeway then you'll have all the cars trucks noise. Ask for a room looking at the mountains, not freeway. Fabulous staff. Jack and Doug are the best. They do everything they can to accommodate your needs. It's a decent motel. Not upgraded or fancy but a comfortable place to lay your head. They did not have any of the buzziness channels on the TV. The cable was too limited. Senior and veteran customer. We stayed here for the convenience of location. We had to take care of some things in the area, and really this was pretty much the only show in town. The staff was very friendly and the room was adequate. I wish there was a discount rate for seniors and veterans. If there was, I didn't see where it was offered. All in all though it was a pleasant experience.